Hey guys, it's Lindsay here from Living Free. I hope you all are doing well right now and staying safe and healthy. I know it's really crazy times out there, so thinking of you. Today I wanted to talk about chakras because I've been getting some questions about them, and there's really just a lot of confusion and misinformation about what chakras are. Like, a lot of people are asking me, do I need to work on my chakras? Or they'll say, some sort of healer or some sort of spiritual intuitive told me that my chakras are out of balance. Is this something I need to be concerned about? Do I need to open my chakras? Is one of my chakras underactive? Lots of questions and lots of confusion. So, chakras are not literal things in your body. You're not going to open up the body and find a chakra. What they are a way to explain the physiological processes that happen in your body as you heal or as you go through a spiritual awakening. They're very similar to the Kundalini processes, which really, Kundalini, again, is also not something physical, but it's related to the energy that is released in the body as you process trauma, as you release suppressed emotions. So, chakras are not actual literal things, but what they correlate to are areas in the body where you can hold tension. When you have suppressed emotion, which most of us do, most of us have suppressed emotion, we hold that emotion as tension in the body. Certain areas in your system can become contracted, or tense. It's really, unprocessed emotion is held as muscle tension. So when you start to release that tension, subsequently energy will start to flow more freely, and you get that sort of chakra phenomenon. It can sometimes be very uncomfortable or challenging to go through those symptoms of releasing. But it's really a good part of the healing process. It's what you want. It's what you're going for, really, when you're releasing the emotional backlog that you have. So as you feel the emotions, as you process the emotions and release them, you release tension. And then what happens is the nervous system releases energy. And so you get certain places where you will feel that. There's a huge range of phenomena you can experience related to the chakras. I know for me, I experienced a lot of pressure in certain areas, some heat sensations, tingling, some pain, but everything was always temporary. It always resolved as the emotions processed out. Sometimes it took longer than others, but it did resolve. So really what I'm trying to say is chakras are not something that you need to work on. They will naturally open as you go through your healing process, as you release the backlog of suppressed emotion that is creating tension in the muscles of your body. Some people say they do some chakra meditations and that helps them. That is fine. Whatever helps you to go through your healing process and feel better about it and calmer about it, that's wonderful. But it's not something that you need to focus on. You do not need to meditate in order to open your chakras. It will happen naturally as you go through the healing process. So I hope that is helpful to you. I hope that clears up some things. Feel free to leave some comments. I'm always here if you guys have questions about healing and awakening in general. And if you're interested in the energy healing work that I do, if you really want to open your chakras and get that energy flowing, visit me at livingfreehealing.us, and I'll leave the website also in the information. And all right, take care. Talk to you guys soon.